Hello guys. I just wanted to make a video because it's been a really long time and I'm really sorry. I've been really busy, so just wanted to make a video on how to make sales during summer slowdown. So everybody that's following me on Instagram knows that my sales have been really good during the summer. And so I want to share with you my secret tips on how I have sales during summer slowdown. So during the summer slowdown, people always complain about it being slow. Well, instead of complaining about it, I actually just work harder because I know that it's anticipating that it's supposed to be slower. So instead, I work more and I list even more diligently because I know that that's what people call the slowdown, right? So what I do is I go on a site called Upwork, upwork.com, and I screen and I post an ad for listers. So I have like 4 or 5 listers right now. And so what happens is I have a lister that's in California, and she's actually, in the States, in the US. So our time to contact each other is normal time frame. And then I have 2 in the Philippines. One in the Philippines, I had prepaid for them to list some items. And then the second one, I just tell them, oh yeah, I want to pay for $50 worth of listing, 50 cents per listing. And they give me like 100 something listings. And then I have like one in Pakistan, and that person also is on a contracted rate. He'll give me like a certain amount of listings for $50. Each person, I pay 50 cents per listing. The reason why I have so many listers as opposed to just one is because what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to do like a 24-hour listing machine kind of deal. So like for instance, eBay really likes activity just like Poshmark likes activity. And so what I do is during the daytime, I'll photograph anywhere from 60 to 100 to 150 photos. And I will just take photos of the front, the back, the label, and also the item with the measurements, pit to pit, and length. So they could actually see the picture with the measurements. And I take a picture of the brand and the care tag and all of that. I don't write them a list of everything because I want to just be a photographing machine. I do not want to spend my time saying lucky brand, size small, pit to pit 14, length 23. Like, I don't want to waste my time doing that because I am just a photography machine. So basically, I am just photographing as much as I can after I had shipped out all my items that day. Then I also have a virtual assistant in, I don't even know what country, I forgot what country he's in. But anyways, I have a virtual assistant, and at 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. every day he shares my Poshmark closet. So every day my Poshmark closet is being shared. The reason why I do all this is because I want to devote all my time just to being a photography machine. Because if I spend 2 hours sharing 1,800 items in my Poshmark closet, then I don't have time to list new items or take photographs for new items. I want to outsource that to all the other people that can do it all throughout the day, 24 hours a day, like a machine, so that I can affect the eBay Poshmark analytics. Because one of the listers in the States actually cross-posts all my Poshmark items and my eBay items so that I also get consistent Poshmark items being listed. If you had watched my previous videos, I had said that eBay and Poshmark both likes like a lot of activity, sharing, listing, sharing, relisting, all of those things. So that was like level 1 because I was doing everything myself. Now it's about getting everybody else to do it so that when I'm sleeping, it's being listed, 50 items being listed. So right when I wake up, boom, I wake up, I check my InkFrog because they actually put all the photos and all the information on InkFrog. I check the listings, make sure that the price is the price that I want, And then right when I wake up, I have 50 listings in the morning. During the day, I send 50 pictures to the the lister in the States. She lists those 50 during the States. And then there's the people in the Philippines. I also Google those photos to the people in the Philippines and Pakistan. So when I'm going to sleep, those items are being listed. When I'm awake, all the listings are being listed by the person from the States. And then at 7 p.m., the Poshmark party, that's being shared to the party from the people that I hired as a virtual assistant in another state. And the only thing I'm doing is I'm taking a bunch of photographing, shipping out items, handling customer service, and also hashtagging the crap out of my Instagram posts. You guys saw how quickly I've grown. It's because I'm hashtagging. And then that's pretty much what I do. So I would not recommend this if you're a beginner. I would recommend this if you've had a lot of experience selling. And also if you can take photos real fast, that's a really good thing. And then also maybe after you sold like $10,000 worth of items, because if you are spending all this money with virtual assistants and listers and all these people, photographers, then you don't get any profits. But if you have been reselling and you've been doing it for a lot of time and you have a lot of inventory and the money's just kind of accumulating and making money for you while you're going to sleep on the weekends, then you can afford to do that. So I did not hire listers and all of that and virtual assistants until like maybe 9 months into the game. So this is my summer slowdown secret, and it just kind of made sense to me. Nobody told me this. I just kind of thought like, hey, if eBay likes people listing all day, why not have it 24 hours around the clock and beat up all the other people that aren't doing that? So this is just a tip for you guys. And also I wanted to share with you that I recruited 24 Poshmark Poshers through my Instagram, and I've never even met them. Like basically I just put out a lot of content and then I put my code on my actual bio, and then they just put my code in there and I got 24 people. That's really great. So if you're one of them, thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. And I'm still debating. I got the tickets for Posh Fest. I'm debating if I should apply to be a speaker or not. That would be cool if that's something that happens. And if I decide to go to Dallas, I'll see you in Dallas. And please don't be shy. Like I've heard a lot of people see me at the thrift stores and they said, I didn't say hi to you because I was shy. Like I think everybody knows I'm like, I kind of just do reselling for social purposes and to help and teach people, not so much just making profit and stuff, but just because I just like to meet people. And I met 2 of my friends through Instagram. So anyways, please don't be shy, and I love to meet you in Dallas or in thrift stores or whatever, or through Instagram. Thank you so much, and you have a good night. Bye.